Text reads, Slow motion night insects. A bright floodlight hangs in darkness. Crane flies, resembling large mosquitoes with long legs outstretched, fly against the glass of the light. Their one pair of wings move quickly, even in slow motion, in up and down cycles. A moth flies into the light, its large wings flapping gracefully. Crane flies continue to fly into the light, their wings moving up and down, towards or away from the light. Other insects fly into the floodlights. The crane flies continue to bounce off the light, either hitting it with their long legs or their bodies, then fly back into it. Text reads, Camera, Casio EX-F1, 300 and 600 FPS. Music, Misty Night by Technician. Copyright 2010 JCM Digital Imaging, jcmdi.com. The video ends.